The female prisoner throws dirt out the window. She never eats the food they bring her. Instead, she collects the food and smears it on the walls, uses the salt from the soup to corrode the walls, then digs with a homemade iron spoon. She's trapped in a prison surrounded by water on all sides. To avoid being discovered by the guards, she tears pages from books, soaks the paper in water, covers it with dirt, making the paper the same color as the walls, pastes these papers over the hole. To buy more time for digging, she never goes outside for recreation, and tells the guards she prefers reading in her cell. 3 months later, she's dug a tunnel over 500 meters long. On this day, a prosecutor comes to inspect the prison. She knows this is her chance. The warden arranges a performance to welcome the officials. Since she hasn't come out in so long, her fellow inmates haven't seen her either. The guards don't pay attention to her movements. She walks back to her cell in broad daylight. The guard delivers her meal as usual. Assuming she's reading in her cell, the guard knocks but gets no response. He quickly opens